1. Kokuribaba. You hear a faint rustle in the kitchen at night, the sound of something old, slow, hungry. That might be Kokuribaba. She looks like a frail, hunched granny, but don't be fooled. This yokai, born in the Edo period, is one of the most feared in Japanese folklore. She lurks in dark kitchens, abandoned temples, anywhere food is stored or the dead are buried. Because Kokuribaba doesn't just steal food or money. She's known to dig up graves and feast on corpses. Yeah, she eats the dead. And when she's done, she'll collect the hair of the deceased and sell it. A famous tale tells of a traveling monk seeking shelter at an old temple. An elderly woman offers him a room, but as they talk, she suddenly says with a soft, trembling voice,
"I've committed many sins. I don't think I can ever find peace."
The monk, concerned, asks her to confess. She smiles, not kindly. Then, leaning closer, she whispers,
"I eat corpses from their graves."
And before he can react, she attacks, kills him, and devours his flesh. They say Kokuribaba is still out there, wandering, waiting, hungry. So next time you hear a strange noise near the pantry, don't assume it's a mouse.